I'm very late on my videos, I know. So let's do a one-take video. Come on. What you waiting for? Push the position. Today I have here a lot of dirty things. And I need some help. Maybe this kind of compressor? Oh no! Why? A battery-operated air tester from Opolar. Cool. Ah, very simple packaging. A charger cable. All USB. Oh, a brush. Nice. You can have at least one accessory together with the device. That's cool. That's cool, dude. No pouch. Oh well. Let's try it out. It's loud. Well, let's clean some stuff, shall we? Cool. A gadget like this is your IT's best friend. Wow, it's amazing. Are you hearing me? Maybe not. Well, it's amazing. It does clean very well. It's cool. Let's try some fans. Wow, this is great! Let's clean some other stuff, shall we? Very useful. I was cleaning these with the cloth. You remember? You can go back and see the video from the Roomba. Great. Even the filters for your dehumidifier or air conditioner. Go ahead. Yours. Nice. It could be useful for smartphones to clean those small crevices where the speakers are. Very useful. Well, why not clean the house? Has a brush? This is very useful, even around the house too. So, price. Well, it's about 80-ish on Amazon. I'll leave a link below. Go and check it out. Or you can just search it. It is battery operated, so you want to see how it charges, really? Well, tip of the cable, charging port, you get it. Well, is it worth it? Well, a can of compressed air could be for around 5, 6, maybe 10 euros, dollars, pounds. Do the math. I don't know how many times you use it, but I do use often. It has more endurance and it won't freeze like cans would, which leads to a decrease of power. Your hands start to freeze. If you use those cans, you know what I mean. Also, you can use it in any orientation, down, sideways, and in the end, the environment will thank you too. If you like having your gaming stuff shining like new, well, this is for you. Let's end this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this awesome or not channel. At least you can help me grow. So subscribe, share. See you next time.